Stop. I just needed like a moment of silence when I saw this at my front door. My hair has changed a lot. As you guys know, my lupus journey affects my hair and my scalp and things like that, so I haven't been too into it lately. What's tea? I'm gonna give y'all the tea. Beyonce! The queen, the one and only Queen Bee. Sent me her hair care line. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? So you telling me that Beyonce thought of me? And if it wasn't actually Beyonce herself who thought of me,
it was somebody from her team, meaning they were breathing the same air that she was breathing, and within that air the message was relayed that I need her hair care line. So whoever communicated that, somehow I technically was breathing the same air as Beyonce.
Stop while you're ahead of yourself. Stop. If you know how I feel about Beyonce, then right now you should be proud of me that I'm not passed out right now. This at my front door? Out of all people? Are you kidding me? You know, it took me a minute to gather my thoughts. I don't think y'all understand. I literally, the day after I got this package, my braids were out of my head. I called my mom. I said, please help me. Take them out. They're old anyways. Why do I need to make them last? The braids can go, honey. I'm trying to see how my hair is looking and feeling after this collection, okay? Let's see what it's talking about. Like, y'all, hold on. Let me sit down real quick so I can, let's talk about it. Let's talk about this collection. First of all, hey NAYvy. Like, it's been a minute since I even done a video. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so yeah, as y'all can see, I was added to the PR list for Beyonce's Cécred hair care line, and I am so grateful. If all else failed, I would have wanted to try it out regardless if they sent it to me or not. I would like to be the judge of what the hair is talking about, because everything else connected to her.
Chef's kiss. Gold. Mind-blowing. Sensational. An experience. I mean, let's talk about it. The queen never fails.
I've been a Beyonce stan since the beginning of time. So yes, I would want to try it just because it's her. But to be honest, really all of my black queens who are thriving in the industry, coming out with hair care lines, I'm literally like an advocate for that. Like when Tracee Ellis Ross came out with her collection by Pattern, I actually went and got that and tried it out. How it works is another thing, but that is why people like me and your other fellow influencers make videos, so y'all can see with different hair textures. My hair has changed a lot. As you guys know, my lupus journey affects my hair and my scalp and things like that, so I haven't been too into it lately when it comes to like my hair journey and trying new products and new styles and things like that. I kind of just stick to the basics, stick to my protective styles. But child, when I got this in the mail. So anyways, it's so funny because I wasn't even gonna do a YouTube video on this. This was really for Instagram. I was really just gonna try it out and test it out for Instagram. So ignore the dimensions. It's not gonna be in landscape mode because I just recorded it portrait mode just to get an idea of, you know, how it did on my hair. So I'll do like a voiceover with my thorough review to conclude the video. But just a warning, y'all, my hair is just not the same. So like I said, I just took my braids out literally and got straight to it. So this collection was really, you know what, I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna give y'all the tea. What's tea? I'm gonna give y'all the tea on how this collection did with really reviving my hair, because I had old braids in and I really needed to get in there. And yeah, y'all enjoy, and let me know if you want me to get back into my hair videos. It's like a bittersweet moment, like the natural hair guru days were the days. But anyways, y'all, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, let's unbox, because the marketing and branding team went crazy. Like, what? I opened it up. I said, what is this? It was a whole portfolio, y'all. And I was like, okay, displays. I thought it was just, you know, a little cute little 1-2, little visuals. Y'all, I flipped it over. Why is there an explanation sheet of each product about the experience that you'll get from it, what you should expect out of it, who it's for, the key benefits of it, the ingredients, how to use it, thoroughly explained for each product. Like, the science and research that was put into just that in itself to give us a thorough explanation and make sure we're not steered the wrong way was crazy. But onto the products, there was something for pretty much everything. So we have a clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub, a hydrating shampoo, a moisturizing sealing lotion, nourishing hair oil, reconstructing treatment mask, and a moisturizing deep conditioner. Oh, and then last but not least, we have the fermented rice and rose protein ritual. So I'm just starting off by wetting my hair. Like I told you guys, I did have braids in and I did a light detangle. So now I'm just, you know, starting it off on a good wet note. So first we're going in with the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub, which I was really excited to use because, like I said, the buildup after like braids, it just makes you feel like you really need a good cleanse on your scalp. I was kind of nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because like my scalp is sensitive. Like I said, I have Discoid Lupus, so I'm very careful on what I deposit onto my scalp. And with this being a clarifying shampoo, I'm like, I don't want it to strip too much out of my hair. But I think with the ingredients in this, it definitely avoided that. Like, pause, I'm sorry, but look at the lather. We can't skip over that. Ooh, I honestly didn't even have to use that much to get this. But yeah, it has tea tree, lemon, peppermint, organic willow bark. So, and it actually said it was color safe. So as you guys can see, my brown came back out of nowhere. Like, I cannot get this red out of my head. So every time I dyed it back black, now it just turned into like an ombre color. But anyways, the product was safe for it. So the coast is clear. So now we're going in with the hydrating shampoo in hopes to replenish some of that moisture back in and onto my scalp. And once again, immediately when I put it in, instant lather. Like, I feel like this product is gonna last me a good little while. I was getting in there, y'all. Like, I was getting to my scalp, okay? And the slip was really good, y'all. Like, I will say, if I could pick one word for this product, I would say nourishing. Like, you could honestly see like the shine as I'm washing it. And of course I have to make sure to like comb it through to get it from the roots to the tips. But look at my hair. I literally took a breath of fresh air just washing it out because that's how it made me feel. Like, I just felt so revived. So now we're going in with the moisturizing deep conditioner, and y'all, I don't play about my deep conditioning, okay? Like, I stay on it when it comes to that because I really just need to keep the hydration in my hair no matter what. Like, even when my hair is in the protective style, I deep condition my roots with the braids in, like. But I'm really liking this one. It was really like creamy and it went through my hair really nice. I've tried a lot of deep conditioners, but this one, I really like it. And it smelled good. It smelled good. So I let that sit. I went under a heating cap, let it sit for about 20 minutes. And boom. Yeah, baby. All soaked up. You know when it shrivels up like that. That's how you know it got in there. So, yeah, now we're just going to rinse that out. I don't know why it's so satisfying to me to just watch it just drip off the roots of my hair. My hair looks so good, y'all. So now I'm going in with this reconstructing treatment mask. To be honest, y'all, I don't know if I actually needed to use this. Look how thick that is. Ooh, child. My hair was definitely looking real bouncy and full, and it was just soaking all that product up. But yeah, I don't know if I really actually needed this, especially after doing the deep conditioner. But this is really for like reversing any chemical damage or like heat damage and things like that. I don't know, y'all. I just wanted to try everything. Maybe I should have waited. I don't think it could do any harm. I just kind of wanted to see how it felt on my hair and really just get my hair, you know, back to a fresh start as best as possible. So yeah, I definitely liked it. I didn't do the whole process of letting it sit in for that long. I just made sure it got in there a little bit, but I didn't do the whole heating cap and stuff. So lastly, I just dried my hair with a t-shirt, and then I went in with the nourishing hair oil just to coat my hair and add like a natural shine. I actually ended up doing a straightened hairstyle. So I straightened my hair, and I ended up using the moisturizing sealing lotion for that because it's really for like dry styles, and you can pair it with like a heat protector or anything like that, and it'll just help with the frizz and make it smooth, which it really worked very well. And the only thing I didn't use was the fermented rice and rose protein ritual, so stay tuned for that. But overall, y'all, I love this. Did my hair very well, and it got the job done, okay? And it was definitely just all in all an experience. Like the smell of it, the ingredients, the packaging, like I actually felt like I was having a self-care day, and using beneficial products on my hair and scalp, especially having Discoid Lupus, and being very cautious about what I apply to my scalp and what I add to my routine. Definitely a yes for me 100 times. I'm not just saying that because of my obsession with Beyonce. This is my honest, true opinion. Thoroughly, okay? Love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Leave any comments or questions you have down below.